Hey guys, someone special to me is going to make medicine today for his cough. Home remedy. Whole time something come back again.
So today we are gonna make as she said, a cough remedy. But we're using a child-friendly bread knife, a lemon squeezer, of course, and a blender with some honey.
And Leaf Alive over there.
Leaf Alive as well.
Yeah.
Don't forget your medicine. So first, we're gonna start by cutting.
Okay, I'm going to show you how you use the knife that you don't cut the tip of your finger. When you're going to cut something, you bend your finger like this. Keep them here, bend them and cut. If you straighten them out, the possible knife will slip and cut you. So you curve your finger like this. Look at my finger. Yeah. Don't stretch them out, okay? Alright.
As you can see, the child-friendly knife cuts good, as you can see. So you're gonna want to insert this as how you see.
Yes. Squeeze it in a jar.
And you're gonna squeeze it in this jar.
Yeah.
Whoa. You gotta fight her. The lime squeezer presses out all of its juice. So you're gonna want to press it out, and down here will deliver your juice. But if it's a sparky one, which means if it's one that flies all around the place, you're gonna want to put it in the jar. First, you're supposed to have something like this. Put your second, same way, and squeeze. Squeeze as hard as you can. So now we're done with the lines and the press. Put it somewhere you will find it. Please do this with adult supervision. You don't want it not too big and not too small. Just right, as you can see. And then you're gonna want the same knife, but you want these washed, people. We don't want any raw worms getting into it to make it not medicine. So as every time you cut, you're gonna want to move your hand back so the knife does not cut you. And if you're a pro chef, like my grandma, you will know how to do that. Put them in one bundle and chop away.
Okay, you can just dump that in the jar now. Yes, you don't need to cut anymore. Okay, why don't you get that orange container over there and pour out the lime juice in it? Right there, that one over there. Yeah, yellow. Yes. Pour out your lime juice in it.
This is the lime juice.
Yes. Put it one side.
One side.
And then you can pour in your leaves in that. And guys, that is Leaf Alive. Just use your hand and pick it up, man, and just put it in there, right?
So you're gonna wanna put it on the knife now, people.
Yes.
Don't get too psychopathic.
Yes. All right. And you're going to take that small container over there again, and you're going to get a little water. Yes, you can use that. All right. There's containers before you. Any one of them you can use. Right?
I'm gonna want a container of water.
Not all of that water though. Just pour a
Not too
little in there.
much?
Yeah. I'll tell you when to stop. Go. All right. That's fine. And that's just to make the your blender spin over better. All right. So you're gonna close it now.
This is the blender lid.
Yeah.
Put it in
No,
gently.
you're gonna put it over this.
Put it over
Yes.
gently. Make sure you actually have supervision if you're doing it.
Yes.
And make sure all these grooves go right in here, guys. So you're gonna want to watch it.
Yeah. You can just go ahead.
And then it
Spin it.
smoothly snaps in.
Spin it
Spin and spin and spin
and press down on it.
until you see
Press on the
this.
top.
Press.
Yeah. You can let it go. Press. Wait.
Spin.
Can leave it now.
Now we're gonna
You need a strainer. No, the strainer is over there. Yes.
So now we're putting it in this glass to conserve it, and I'm gonna take some to show you guys that it's a real medicine. You want a funnel and a bottle also, so you can put it all in. Now you're gonna want to put it in the sink, people, and you're gonna want 3 teaspoons per day, and if it's possible, 3 times or 2. See? Tastes good.
So do you believe this remedy will work?
Yes, I do.
Why you believe that it will work?
God made the plants to be eaten, don't it?
Okay.
Plants are natural medicine from the Bible. Isn't that correct?
Yes.
Natural herbs.
Okay. It was nice working with you today. Thanks for being so generous.
I hope I can work with you again.
Okay. Guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I know that 3/4 of my viewers used to this remedy. Leaf Alive, honey, and lime or lemon.